behavior kasi ng Filipino voter, unfortunately, I mean, depending on which lens you look at it,
Yeah.
we have something called OAP, Order of Attribute Preference,
Okay.
in my discipline, no. So iba-iba 'yan. When you think of a cup, a TV show, for example, any good or item, you have something called an OAP. Ice cream. Ano yung order of attribute preference mo? Kailangan masarap, maganda yung packaging,
Tama.
maganda yung ano. Siguro down the line na yung sinong endorser,
Pwede.
anong amoy,
Tama.
malayo na yon.
Anong kulay nung
Anong
packaging?
kulay ng packaging, malayo na yon.
ah.
But the order of attribute preference for Filipino voters, for candidates,
Aha.
unfortunately in the Philippines, hindi pumapasok yung track record,
Wow.
hindi pumapasok yung educational attainment,
Yeah.
hindi pumapasok necessarily, very, very sad for me to say, don't cancel me, this is the data talking, integrity doesn't really count. Integrity is not a big thing.
Yeah.
It's really, pare-pareho yan, since time immemorial. The earliest study that I have had a chance to get my hands on was 1998. So since 98 na yan,
Yeah.
talagang ang gusto ng Pinoy, madaling lapitan,
Tama.
mukhang mabait, sikat.
Mukhang mabait talaga.
Yeah, no,
Sikat.
seriously,
Yeah,
mukhang
yeah.
mabait, mukhang madaling lapitan,
Yeah.
matulungin,
Oo.
which are so broad
Yeah.
that it will encompass and a wide spectrum na matatabunan na yung mga ibang attributes na perhaps the more not bobo,
Oo.
and by the way, I'm not espousing this
Yeah, yeah.
ideology, but the more discerning voter
Yeah.
will say, bakit hindi yun ang tinitignan ninyo?
Yeah.
They're gonna rip out their hair from their roots. It's born of frustration also. And yes, maybe a little bit of elitism, Red.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit of elitism mixed in there. A nice little cocktail. There's some elitism mixed in, but really it's born out of frustration to the point na, why are you not looking at the very obvious qualifications necessary to choose a candidate? Pumipili tayo ng driver, halimbawa, family driver. Bakit hindi ninyo tinitignan yung marunong magmaneho, matagal nang nagmamaneho, may alam sa daan?
Yeah.
Bakit ang tinitignan ninyo, magaling ba magbihis? Magaling ba magvideoke? It's frustrating to a certain point.
Yes.
And perhaps that frustration led to this
Branding.
na if I can't handle it, if it doesn't make sense to me, if it's completely alien, I will just despise it
Yeah.
and call it names.